Here's Adobe Reader, and let's say I want to print something on both sides of the paper. For that I have to check this one, print on both sides of the paper. Make sure it's checked, and if it's still not printing on both sides of the paper, then come here to the Start menu, go to Settings, the wheel, Devices, Printers and Scanners. Now choose the printer that you are using, in this case is this one, click on it. Manage, Printer Properties, Device Settings. Here at Installable Options we have Duplex Unit, and if it's set to not installed, although your printer can print on both sides of the paper, then click on it and select Installed and close it with OK. Close these windows, press Ctrl P once again, make sure print on both sides is checked, and now try to print once again.